Hello, Josie. I've been expecting you.
You must be Avenir. Well, I'd love to stay and chat, but I have some place to be.
Apologies, but I do think it important that we have an opportunity to catch up. After all, it's been so very long.
Get out of my way.
Come now, Josie. Is that any way to speak to your father?
What did you say?
I am your father, Josie.
I don't believe you.
Denial, Josie? I was so hoping we could skip that this time around. Taking the ball from Sarah and Victor, it was a bold move. Oh, I was quite proud. Pity it turned out the way it did, but we mustn't let failure cloud our vision, am I right? Must dust ourselves off and try again and again and again until we get it right at last. After all, you and I have replayed this scene over and over and over from one timeline to the next and still haven't gotten it right.
Gotten it right?
Due to your incredible capacity for denial, a trait most surely from your mother, you have thus far refused to acquiesce to my demands to join me in controlling the destiny of time itself. Please, please don't be cross with me, Josie. It was only because I believed you were lost that I was content to have Vaughn do what is needed in 2 hours. But now that you're here, it would be so much sweeter to assume the ultimate power in the universe with my daughter at my side. Then Vaughn, it must be.
You know me. In this life, will you be here for me?
Hi, you've reached Kelly Trent. I'm not here right now, so please leave a message.
Hi, Mom. It's me. I really need to talk to you. It's about my dad. Just call me back, please.
Josie.